Good evening, good evening to each and everyone. This is your OPATAFUOR channel, your life. Of course, Obaso ano abomode no share link na ma na bibia ya kama so wani tua. And efie I was supposed to telecast the English version of our everyday live streaming. And then I can say brofo by any coin ni enko. Enti unya link na no share link na ma. Unya link na no share na obi so ensaka. You can as well leave your comment at the comment section. Na yini nkomo. You can as well leave your comment and let me know exactly where you're watching me live from. Wait me a comment or comment section or now free so no. Well, baby, I will share maybe I will be a yes sir. Robert, no papa more to say. I believe some more yeah. Me church will be already be a numeri. Me say nyame adom ho ye. Abono wo twa pa ho kakra. Minim se bibia ye boko asumwie ana awo won sra ban mu ba bia hwe me bia enti migusu abon kaye se bo mode na share link ni ma me enne ye muru 30 minutes da Elizabeth, God bless you, mom. How you doing? Persuman, Steven Nado. Yes, sir. Salute. Elizabeth Odru. Mom, how you doing? I believe you're doing great. Hey, what's up, man? Leave a comment at the comment section. I'm good. If I do buying, to say, when you say BBI, and I feel to be but more than a share link in the mammy in common. Na me bon kaya Justice Osafo me bon kaya on the 29th of December 2024. It's happening live at the Bushen. Nyoma kesiye ne koso Bushen on the 29th of December. 29th of December. Anopa. This year fashion team says Zenit. Yenye 31st. Yenye 31st. The entire minye 31st mbibintia. Enti bomoding had a higher quality in card code. Into on the 29th, and I yangs in it for 31st in we are ye. Yes, soon, my dear, the amount. Minayama, we are here, then over cross waffing, da. Calquatia encounter. Or Yalu and Guasia or how near my near a being count that. Into on the 29th of December 2024, but more than a sham or Bushen station in Como. If we say onyame wo kwan ofa so e de ye ne nioma abribia Israel for de oso ote ase no na abribia hello orange ananas hey see this your name hello to your brother Yarak. Okay. Now, so on the 29th of December, it's happening live in Kumasi. We are actually doing our 31st on the 29th. We're not going to do 31st watch night in this particular said year. So try as much as possible and then partake in this forthcoming event. Panda, Mechia, Colin Spencer, Mechiamo, Munina, Amenkamo. They also tell us here. Abribia Oman Israel be kwama niemu na omotete na omusu no. God has a way or the prophet be bre wo Kodwapi asante. Yes sir, salute you. Tinyame de odema bre wo e wa odia OPATAFUOR belongs to you. Akase obehunu me asa OPATAFUOR de eyewa odia OPATAFUOR solely belongs to you. akasa obehunu how to handle me, and that is all. No, I don't. Na nyame ya adoma Dr. Oduro Michiao. Nyame ya adoma Sunday anwumre menya letter bi wa ha. Menya letter bi wa ha na nyame ya adoma Sunday anwumre. De letter bi aba. Say me meye live interview bi. Nti nyame ya adoma Sunday anwumre me ne Daniel Osekofi. Interview na numere 8 pepe kwasi ada de didi ntamo do na ampaye bedwa kwasi ada numere 8 pepe didi ntam fa se otiri me didi ntam na ka kire obi se kwasi ada live interview mini Mr. Sekofi wa man ntam a wonya bi nhwe baba na ya bom match na wie enti na wotwe do wotwe ma me akua me bacha o me chia o ho ye na wotwe pepepe da kwasi ada we ye ni bia numere 8 pm Sekofi di interview bi aba or brem letter Betty UK, how you doing? God bless you too. If I do boy, how you doing? And to why you OPATAFUOR fan be kwasi ada numere me no Sekofi pa ampaye bedwa na or say questions obe busa me no numere wa brem letter wa ma me phone call say kwasi ada one more interview me so baje atu if we say mumu bi bebre mo se mo pe mo hia interview et kwasi ada say ye fast na so TV no na fato we enye phone version on say normally phone version no it comes in a vertical order say ndia ma untimi hwe enfele nemum kwasi ada de live camera bi pietuatua so camera studio ni etwa no ntinye normal de emiami yi kwasi ada bi no Sekofi ya mpaye bedwa as usual once you share ya na ntokwa ntino prepare yourself for this Sunday coming interview amishira obi bia ohwe me bia abutrefo metiamo eti amishira mo so atiase said they make no prepare on the 29th of December this year mu Kumasi obado handkerchief 12 now the seed seed that is a covenant seed now the be o spiritual work no Hey, somebody just left a message behind. He says, Prophet, we are growing old. I should teach you the secrets to always look young. Okay, there's a secret. I have that secret in my pocket. One day I'll teach you people. That is why I'm recommending the secret group for you people. The Divine Destiny Clan. You see, this time around, I cannot come out and voice out everything. But I believe that the most secretive will be held in higher esteem, where I'll have that opportunity to give it to my Divine Destiny Clan people. I believe they deserve the best out of everything. And to some person, and then mean to be in secret be open secret partner. Divine Destiny Clan for your group no bomoding na a nomination form na filling na fini process ne what is involved yemfa umfra na fi be journey be what is secret. We teach you things that are deeper and your ma men can be da and your ma men chere da e hon ye chere no me the secret upon secret and am the man now so the above bra na e de eyeku a enye just ordinary kuo said obi aso atikuo no. It's registered with license and everything. And 10 years is so between Abamusa until I'm see Tibon cost will be to me. Oh, Casabe be on point. I am a home, made the debut on. The Amisha, Yami out my Sunday Medoani. They also tears here. No, we are still the Abrabo life, a game. I keep on telling you people, when you learn how to play the game, you become the master of your own. So what I say, so how to play life, you become the master of your own. Sometimes we shouldn't just walk and my and none and I'm hosake. When I'm but now see be free brabom now pick something. What do I say? All the things around us, and you may try a machine in a radin namso, and it can be the chirayin. Radical Israel for so quadruple contati and chain. Kusiana coin. Abuan tatiampo, a ready to be the near reference, which will serve as a reference note to humanity. There is some kind of a wisdom that the ant possess. And Tatia, Nyansa Binia didn't do anything. And Tatia him say a ria a moda. And the ada a ria born, and Tatia sees the opportunity. No, they are two ye. Sanya Beya, ada in Sube Jamun. Or no one Tatia on him say. Ne honamono ensusu enunti se ensuo bona obewu. Imagine say wu onipa mpo akoso no ensuo timi ball ema wo feel the pains of it. How much more entatia or ye ketekete sanetie. Until I'm sure say life is a game. I always tell people who follows me, if you follows me in life, I always tell you that life is a game and you must learn how to play it. Play the game and become the master of your own. Don't become a fool and unwise in life. By the time the fools will learn how to play the game, by then, the wise people might have left the park. And whom exactly are you going to play with? Okwasia, and Okwasia, they won't me more abrabomuda. And here Yansafuan Nante. And you want more manu duro and Nantia Brabum. Anyone more mafru a son in almost afro beam. And this microphone and nanti adentia. The wafra son in what she has no as afro. It serves as what we call experience. The end person mitro. The abrabom won't be bid that our niso. They were peja no ashiasi. No asa peja no ashiasi. No watching a tramp and pencil could do baby with Jan and Asoro. Sandy Pan and Mitchell said, Conefa and no. Never found to my cobone diano. No one chow abrabom coin. Now so to anamo sisi if you say abua kotoka say obeji jene bata atadia any abrabona be dia makoto if you say wo koto etire kura woni bi wo hia obaso hia na da ben na wo koto obenya nyina so na obaso obenya bi enti peki okoto abraboda peki koto abrabo. Don't pick anything from that crap. Okoto and pick it. Because okoto ya ne baso ya. Adie bia yesin to bia wabusu ya ne munu nyansa ne fa dwane. Don't learn anything from the crap. Dia yesin to nya hu nyansa akoma na no me no ka asem bi. Anadwono na no your last life interview we catch you say bompa na urade ma nyansa akoma. Me mpaucho me mpesa na kire se wagimi ebi nsi da. Me nkasenti ya usa. Nanso so sɛ deɛ metie sɛ deɛ meyɛ onyamedifo imposto de bia me bompa sɛ urade ma me nyansa akoma ɛfiri sɛ adekyea bia ne mu nsɛm adekyea bia ne mu nimdeɛ ne nyansa ɛde nam ne firi sɛ wanya adekyea bia ho nyansa ne nimdeɛ adekyea ne bɛkɔ ɛbɛba meyɛ na mayɛ ɛno so ani manya anyɛ ne nam ɛwɔ hɔ saa na teɛ abrabɔ sɛ ohunu wona montete a empanyimfo ne kae o sɛ ohunu won sa hohoro a woni opanyini ene bedidi ayoa baakum. Once you learn and you master the game on your own, you become a master. This is where you fly at the higher altitude with people who are flying at that angle. Say you go race achechede wontimi mpore ne ho nti achechede wono da bi odini lem ba sa achechede pese otumi ni ka dia ene na wo say saade na ewo na chi no okoyi bi to ho because asaade na ewo na chi no eno na entimi mani ntumi ni ka wa abrabo mu no saabo achechede pese otumi ni ka dia de tali na chi no onkoyi nto ho se wanyi de tali na chi na nto ho a ontimi ntumi ni ka da sana abrabo ne tie so pese okom ha o ade so no so ye fasi wo suban bi na wo mu na anya so ye ani enso ade na wo mu aso ye o pese oni asikafo empanfo atitiri ni abrempon enante wa abrabom na si wiye o pese urade honhom ne onante duru akire dia ene am de abo atechede ye mfato ho de ama o se de tare atechede achi no enne ma ne ntimi ntumirika enti de so no onsue no any so no arrogant those things you see you understand. Yes, sa hum no e hum fi no na aba na esi onipa wa brabo mu no aho sie fasi wona ho be ye hare obi wo ha akwadworo na e hawo akwadworo me ye na maye akwadworo na e hawo contact ya chene ko sua na akwan obi wo ho no ma onam wa na yesese de wo onam no saa na woda obi wo ade achi won nam saa no wada ya brabo me chiachia o me nyu me nsa o mre nyankopɔ ya adoba kwasi ada eni mi hia ma wie bye bye kwasi ada nyumre eh wa man tem dia wa yo hu kwasi ada 29 na be yo hu adwuma why obi frɛ ni nyame no obi ni ho enti se wanye wa brabo ho adwuma ukoto so obi da radio over ma na ha na obi o ha o ko beni obi ko China obi ko India ansa na otimi asi efie na ohu no obi ko India ansa na otimi tua ne school fees otimi tua ne light bill na wo hefa na uko Brazil it kwasi adam yenhia this coming Sunday exactly 8 o'clock p.m. Ghana time. Pepepe. Na me on live. Ne jedem. Me ne Daniel Sekofi. Ye interview no ubeti wasumu nsem. Ensem a me broso no. Wa me hwebia wa ye. Me yeshua say obebusa me election no ho asempe. Nti election no asofo bebra hyehyem kom agya so me adifo agya be den mo me mfa ne saa na odifo OPATAFUOR so dia na me ka fa election no me yesure search no bebusa me ba me ntimi hu de me na me de ma agene gesi nti kina ya hia me life so ko ba so obusa me de me on se me ka de obewe ni election no ay amaje ma wi ase ehu aye obende utimi ja can say it try me boss mu anu asaba yes sir mensa obi anwo ye Dubai for ho ye so abrabo no sa na TNT nyame adom a OPATAFUOR ekira me de obebusa me na me yi ano me nkase mu obi aka when the very election 2024 and where I didn't be 2024 same bc kwesi ada inshallah me ciao me ciao e be sia kwesi ada bye bye me nkasa be because kwesi ada me reserve me comment for kwesi ada me ciao